Hey everyone, it's Johnny, and here's today's lesson. I absolutely love working in finance. It's a field where you really need to keep up with the latest market trends and economic shifts. Every day, I dive into complex data and break down financial reports to make sense of them. It's thrilling to figure out the stories behind the numbers. One of the best parts is when I get to sit down with clients. I love to walk them through their investment portfolios and spell out the potential risks and rewards. It's incredibly rewarding to help someone out with their financial goals. Sure, there are days when the markets go down and things look tough. But that's when we buckle down and work out the best strategies for our clients. It's not just about making money, it's about building up trust and relationships.